Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, V and Tbaj goes head to head, call each other names. Let's check out the details.
I'm actually in a healthy relationship. You don't know that?
In a healthy relationship?
I don't post it on social media, but I'm in a healthy relationship with a man that treats me like a jewel. Sorry. You said what?
The BBNaija Reunion show has got a lot of people as the third edition of the reunion led to a lot of confrontation between Tbaj and V. During the show, Ebuka asked questions around Tbaj, saying that she was ready to take Neo from V. That led to a lot of confrontation as Tbaj and V went head-to-head when trying to answer the questions asked by Ebuka. Tbaj was seen going all out with V, calling her all sorts of names and even saying that she was never a friend. At some point, Tbaj called V a bitter leaf as well as a witch.
I am a bitter leaf, I am a witch, and I accept it. Thank you.
Although V tried to keep her cool, but things got really bad between the two of them, especially when Tbaj threw a pillow at V, saying that she was going to beat her up whenever she sees her and could even be at the hotel.
I will smack you, what? Sorry? I will smack you silly. I will smack you silly. And it might be at the hotel, shall we?
Anyway,
I will be there. I will prove that point. You see Tbaj, you go this way. Watch and see.
Tbaj was seen at some point trying to pull her shoes, but she was stopped by other housemates and Ebuka during the confrontation. From saying that she had 3 degrees, she mocked V for not going to school and even told her that she was maid at businesses and was the original bad B. The surprise of the show was watching V keep her cool in all of this, as she has been praised on social media for doing same. But she didn't miss her chances of throwing back words at Tbaj, even calling her a runs girl in the process, especially when Tbaj made it known that she was in a healthy relationship and didn't need Neo for anything.
In a healthy relationship? I don't post it on social media, but I'm in a healthy relationship with a man that treats me like a jewel. Sorry. You said what? She's not saying you're a runs girl. 5 if you want to know. Okay.
She's not saying you're a runs girl, boy.
I'm a runs girl.
About me.
Do you know what you look like? Are you for money?
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Feels like there's still a lot to be reviewed in this edition of the BBNaija show. Let's know what you think about the last episode, and for you, tell us who won, V or Tbaj. We'll be back in just a bit. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.